Most people expect a speaker that fits in the palm of their hand to sound like a buzzing mosquito trapped in a tin can. You buy these tiny things for convenience. You want music while you cook or a bit of sound for the backyard. Then you turn them on and the disappointment hits immediately. The audio is thin. It is scratchy. It lacks any real soul. But this little monster speaker changes that narrative right out of the box. It does not act like a novelty desk toy or a cheap piece of plastic. When you flip that power switch, the sound that hits you is surprisingly full. It has weight. It has presence. Most compact units struggle to push any depth at all. They sound hollow. This one actually manages to fill the air with something substantial. The drivers are doing some heavy lifting here. They provide a richness that you usually only get from much larger hardware. Let us talk about the bass because that is usually where these small devices fail. Most of the time, the low end is either totally missing or it is so boosted that it turns the whole song into a muddy mess. This speaker finds a sweet spot. It gives the tracks body. You can feel the rhythm. You can hear the kick drum. But it does not drown out the rest of the music. The mids and highs stay crisp. They stay articulate. This is a huge deal if you listen to podcasts or audiobooks. You can actually hear the words. The dialogue does not get buried under a layer of fuzzy bass. It is sharp and clear. Even when you crank the volume, the clarity holds up. Speaking of volume, this thing is punchy. It can easily fill a kitchen or a bedroom. It even works well for a casual outdoor gathering. You are not going to be straining to hear your playlist over the wind or the sound of people talking. It projects with confidence. The build quality supports that confidence too. It does not feel like a flimsy piece of junk. It has a solid weight. It has rubberized edges to handle the occasional bump or scratch. It feels like it can survive a trip in your backpack without falling apart. The controls are another win. You do not have to fumble with tiny, unresponsive buttons. Everything is intuitive. It is easy to skip tracks or adjust the sound on the fly. The Bluetooth stays locked in. You can walk around the room with your phone and the connection stays strong. No weird dropouts. No annoying resets every 5 minutes. The battery life is equally dependable. You get long listening sessions without having to hunt for a charger. When you do need more juice, it charges up fast through a standard port. This speaker is a genuine step up from the budget options that flood the market. It performs better than most things in its class. It is portable and lightweight. It is rugged enough for daily life. It is not just another piece of tech destined for a drawer. It is a reliable tool for anyone who wants good sound on the move. It delivers a balanced experience across all genres. From heavy beats to spoken word, it keeps things sounding natural. This is how portable audio should feel. It should be easy, and it should sound great. This speaker hits both marks without breaking a sweat. It is a solid investment for your daily routine. It moves with you from the office to the patio. It handles the bumps of travel. It makes your favorite songs sound the way they were intended. You get clarity without the harshness. You get power without the bulk. It is rare to find a compact unit that respects the listener enough to provide a wide soundstage. Usually, the audio feels trapped in a box. Here, it breathes. It feels natural. It feels alive. Whether you are catching up on the news or blasting a summer anthem, the experience is consistently high quality. It proves that you do not need a massive setup to get a massive sound. You just need the right engineering in a small package. This is a standout choice that truly delivers.